If you want to hide files on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then first of all we can set up the private safe. The easiest way to find the private safe is by going to My Files app, and then over here if we go to Files we should be able to scroll down to find the private safe in this place. And we need to create the privacy password, so let's set up the password. If you already have the privacy password, then of course you will not have to do so. Over here we can choose a password type as well. So let me quickly set up the privacy password. We can use an OPPO account to be able to recover the password in case you forget it. Instead of using the OPPO account, you can also use the recovery email or the security question. So once you set it up, you should have access to the private safe. You can go through these categories that you have in here, and you can find the add option at the bottom of the screen, so you can easily hide files in here. You can also go to the My Files app, and in here we can of course use these categories in here, and you can try to hide something from this place as well. Like for example, if I select this file, I should be able to tap on more in the bottom right corner, and then we have the lock option, and then it's sent to the private safe. So in order to find it, I have to reopen the private safe in here. There we go, and now it is in this place. We can of course unlock the file and restore the file, send it back to the original location if needed. But that is pretty much it, and you can hide pretty much everything: photos, videos, audio files, documents, installation files, and everything else. Leave a like and subscribe.